give me a fist bump, please. Give me a fist bump. Cheers. I love your G63. Please give me some rev. 500. G500. Oh, give me some rev. Give me some rev. No rev. No rev. Type shit. Type shit. Can you just roll down? Roll down. Give me a fist bump. Give me some. Thank you, papi. Love your car, Chase. Give me a fist bump. Give me a fist bump. Please give me a rev, please. Please give me a rev before you leave. Thank you. I appreciate that. That's crazy. Orange exterior, black interior, I love your Rolls Royce. Take it easy. Take it easy, papi. Hold down. Hello,
Maybe a special car in there. Maybe a special car. Should we ask him what car's in there? Is he coming back?
No, he's going straight.
No!
Take it easy, bro. Take it easy, bro. So you go. I love you. Please give me some bread from the engine.
So, we're going to walk down here because apparently a Lamborghini Huracan STO is just parked up. Proper monster for the track days. Look at that. The wing on it, the aero. This is the best car you've seen today, Chubbs?
Yeah, this is the best car. Give me a loud engine rev, please. Please give me a loud engine rev, please. Oh, this is amazing.
That was noisy, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Hi mate, you okay?
How are you?
Oh yeah, you have a chat to him? Yeah, you've met him before.
Only yesterday.
Yeah.
I saw you yesterday. Roll down, please. Roll down.
Woo!
Give me a fist bump. Give me a fist bump.
Yeah, no fist bump today. I love the Mini, bro. Love it. So I believe we've got McLaren Senna coming down.
The McLaren Senna and a super hypercar coming. Let's watch out, bro. That's amazing. Let's get
Look at that. Oh, you can hear it.
Oh, give us something. Give
Oh.
us something. Wow. That's
Wow.
amazing, bro. That shit. Give me a fist bump, please. What stage tune is this? Hyundai HI. That's amazing. Thank you very much.
Don't. No. Bro, you don't want to send it as police there.
What?
There's police there, just be careful.
Please. Give me a fist bump, please. Hello, Frankie. Give me a fist bump, please. Please give me someone direct from the behind. Give me some love, please. Please give me a fist bump. Please give me a fist bump, please. Some loud engine rev from your M4, please.
Huh?
Give me some loud engine rev, please.
No.
Please.
No.
Please. Thank you. All right. Give me a fist bump, please. Of course. Please give me some loud engine rev from this. This is amazing. Please give me a loud engine while you leave, please.
I think this Range Rover owner likes going to the pub. Chubbs is on it again.
Give me some loud engine rev, please. Huh? Yeah, Chips the UK. Check me out. Chips the UK. Give me a loud engine rev. Please give me some loud engine rev, please. One more time, one more time, please. Thank you very much. I'm happy. It's good to see you. I love your ride. What was that? What was the name of this? Supra. Toyota Supra. Wow, that's good.
3 litre turbo.